Make sure you watch the full video, don't skip it. And please subscribe, leave a nice comment, hit the like button, and definitely press the bell icon.
Stop scrolling because somewhere inside this unbelievable Mercedes Triple-Decker Motorhome there is one hidden luxury space almost nobody expects, and we are saving that reveal until the perfect moment. If you love extraordinary American RV adventures, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments where you would park this rolling mansion first, because every level raises the stakes, and the biggest surprise is still waiting ahead. From the outside, this futuristic concept immediately commands attention with towering proportions, premium styling, and the unmistakable prestige associated with Mercedes design. Although the headline price is an attention-grabbing idea rather than a confirmed production value, the craftsmanship imagined here reflects the growing demand for ultra-luxury recreational vehicles. Wide entry doors welcome you into the ground floor, where an elegant lounge combines plush seating, panoramic windows, warm lighting, and premium finishes that instantly feel like an exclusive hotel. Just beyond the lounge sits a refined office area designed for remote work, offering privacy without sacrificing style. Nearby, a fully equipped gym encourages healthy living on extended road trips, while a dedicated massage room promises relaxation after long travel days. Unexpectedly, the next room is a carefully organized medication area for secure wellness storage, followed by a discreet laundry space that keeps everyday chores out of sight. Before leaving this level, an upscale men's grooming area completes a floor focused on comfort, productivity, and personal care. Yet the next staircase leads somewhere even more impressive. The second floor shifts from practical luxury into personal indulgence. The master bedroom becomes a peaceful retreat with generous space, premium furnishings, and calming natural light flowing through oversized windows. Across the hallway, a beautifully designed guest bedroom ensures visitors enjoy the same upscale experience without compromise. Continue farther, and you discover a private love twin suite offering additional sleeping accommodations with its own intimate atmosphere. The nearby kitchen blends modern elegance with functionality, creating a welcoming place for preparing meals while enjoying elevated views. A stylish bathroom complements the living quarters with contemporary finishes, while an inviting minibar creates the perfect setting for evening conversations. Overseeing everything is a smart technology control system that manages lighting, climate, entertainment, and selected convenience features from one central interface. Just when this level seems impossible to top, another surprise waits above. The third floor transforms the journey into pure entertainment. Families are greeted by a cheerful kids playing area designed to keep younger travelers engaged during long adventures across America. Continue forward, and the atmosphere changes dramatically as a vibrant dance club space invites music, celebration, and unforgettable evenings without leaving the vehicle. Then comes the feature many viewers never expect inside a motorhome, an indoor swimming pool that creates an extraordinary sense of escape. While concept designs like this push imagination beyond today's mainstream RV market, they showcase how luxury travel continues evolving toward increasingly ambitious experiences. Even after seeing this remarkable level, the highest destination still hides the most breathtaking perspective. Climb onto the rooftop deck, and the entire experience reaches its cinematic finale. A luxurious rooftop lounge offers comfortable seating beneath open skies, creating an unforgettable place to unwind after exploring America's most scenic highways. Nearby, elegant outdoor seating encourages family dinners, quiet mornings, or sunset conversations surrounded by incredible landscapes. Finally, the panoramic viewing deck delivers sweeping vistas that remind you why freedom on the open road remains such an enduring dream. Whether this exact motorhome ever becomes reality or simply inspires future innovation, it captures the limitless imagination driving luxury RV design forward. Imagine pulling into a national park campground or a premium RV resort, instantly becoming the center of attention as curious visitors gather to admire every detail. That reaction explains why extravagant concept vehicles generate so much excitement online. They combine architectural creativity, luxury hospitality, and automotive engineering into one unforgettable vision. Instead of simply transporting passengers from one destination to another, Concepts like this encourage people to rethink what mobile living could become over the coming years. Advanced materials, smarter energy systems, improved connectivity, and flexible interior layouts are already influencing modern recreational vehicles, making once impossible ideas feel increasingly achievable. Whether you admire the design, question the practicality, or simply enjoy imagining the future, one thing is certain: conversations about extraordinary motorhomes are only becoming bigger, bolder, and more fascinating with every passing year. Share this video with a fellow road trip enthusiast, compare your favorite floor below, and tell us which hidden feature deserved the biggest reaction today together. If you enjoyed this exclusive tour, subscribe now because our next videos explore even more astonishing luxury motorhomes, futuristic campers, and record-breaking rolling mansions that redefine life on the road. Until then, keep dreaming bigger, keep traveling farther, and keep wondering what incredible creation we will uncover next.